let's make art. Today we'll make art like Mark Bradford. You will create a necklace out of recycled material inspired by the technique and process of Mark Bradford, an artist in Los Angeles who uses materials that he finds on the street. You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to. Here's what you'll need: cardboard, magazines, scratch paper, tissue or wrapping paper, glue stick, string, scissors, hole puncher, and sandpaper. Don't have sandpaper? That's okay. We'll explain later what you can do. Do you have your materials ready? Let's start. The first thing you'll need is your cardboard. We will use this cardboard as your canvas. Mark Bradford makes paintings on huge canvases. The biggest canvas at the Broad is over 50 feet wide. That's almost as long as 3 cars back to back. First, cut your cardboard into a square. Two or 3 inches wide works best. Next, grab all your paper, the magazine pages, scrap paper, and tissue or wrapping paper. Rip the paper into small pieces. We'll use this later on your canvas. This is where you'll get creative. Don't be afraid to use your imagination. You can also cut out shapes, pictures, and letters. You can even crumple up tissue paper. Mark Bradford is known for using materials found on city streets, such as ads, billboards, comic books, and more. Now, glue your pieces on top of your cardboard. You can get creative here too. There's no right or wrong way. When you're done gluing your paper pieces onto your cardboard, get your sandpaper. If you don't have sandpaper, you can use your hands to rip the paper on your art piece. Just make sure the layers are dry. Take the sandpaper and rub the rough side against the top of your art piece. This gives your art piece texture. Making art isn't just about adding things. It can be about taking things away. Mark Bradford applies many layers onto the surface of his canvas. Then he cuts, tears, and sands the layers down. Sometimes he uses a power washer to add texture, and sometimes after that he uses even more layers. You can add more layers of your materials to your piece too, just like Mark Bradford. Keep adding layers and ripping layers away for as long as you like. Your art piece is almost finished. Finally, ask an adult to punch a hole on the top of your art piece and loop your string through the hole. This turns it into an art piece that you can wear. That's it! Wear it proudly. When you're wearing your art piece, think about why you chose your materials and what they might mean to you. With an adult's permission, share a photo of your art piece with us on social media by tagging the Broad and using #TheBroadFromHome. Next time you're at the Broad, you can see more artwork like Mark Bradford's paintings that may inspire you to make art at home. Thanks for watching.